Hello everyone, this is Logan Allen and this is my screencasting project for EIM 504, and the topic that I'm going to be talking about today is a computer program called EdReady. Now, EdReady is a computer program designed to assess students and monitor their progress in areas of math and English specifically, especially for incoming freshman college students, but it's not limited to that. Many times this program is used by universities to place students in the math and English class that they need based on their mastery of the content. But this program can be used in many number of ways. This is a direct quote from the EdReady website that states, EdReady lets you assess your readiness for math and English, see your target options, and get a personalized study path to fill in the knowledge gaps. The website for EdReady is edready.org, and because we're all JSU students, you already have a student EdReady account through JSU. You can access this account to view the website, how the website is laid out, and some of its functionality from the student side, and see if this is a program that you might find useful in your own classroom. Now, to get to the student account that JSU has provided you for EdReady, you need to go to your MyJSU webpage. So just my.jsu.edu, everybody should be fairly familiar with the JSU or your MyJSU. And on the left-hand side of the screen, where all these featured links are, you want to go to the tab that says Placement Exams. And you'll click on the placement exam, and it'll open up a new tab, and this is going to be your EdReady website from the student perspective. Now, the first thing that a student is going to have to do whenever they get on to EdReady is complete a test that determines their mastery of the subject, whether it be math or English. See, this is what the student will see when they first log in after they complete the test, and it will tell them exactly what they need to be working on to improve their mastery of the subject. For example, there's a number of units here. For this example, fractions and mixed numbers, there are this many things that I need to work on to be a master of fractions and mixed numbers. And the ones in the red, I am not ready in, and the one in green stating that I have mastered that section of fractions and mixed numbers. So this just helps students visualize where they're at in the content, where their mastery of the content is at. And another thing that they can do through EdReady is have access to their customized study path. And you can view that by down here where it says View Study Path. You click that, it's going to take you to a different page. And this is the unit about fractions and mixed numbers. And the unit is broken down into several different sections of what EdReady has determined as things that you need to know to master fractions and mixed numbers. Next, what you could do is click on Learn, and for this first part of the unit, you can click Learn, and there's many different things that you can students can do to practice and get a better understanding of this particular topic. There's a warm-up, which is just a few practice questions to see if they're ready. You have a presentation, which is going to be video examples. You have worked examples, which are written out examples that they can see exactly how they've been worked out and how they got to the answer that they got to. There's topic text. There's practice problems that they can do on their own. And then there's a final review. Basically, this is very... it's all targeted to help them master the specific topic. And when you can go back, you can take the test, and then you can move on to the next topic. The test will help you work out up to your study path. Your study path can go all the way up to, you start out at 0, and when you get up to 100, that means you've mastered the subject. So EdReady is a amazing tool for educators to monitor their students' progress and allow students to visualize their own progress, and as well as provide many different ways for students to master the given content through the many uses of practicing, practice tests, reviews, presentations, and worked examples, etc., etc. Thank you for watching. I hope you find EdReady useful and could potentially use it in your classroom.